Ciao singer, welcome to my channel. I'm Ilaria, Italian singer and voice teacher. If you want to become a professional singer, train your voice with me safely. Today we're gonna make the vocal warm-up together using a very famous and helpful SOVT exercise, the humming. SOVT exercises are a group of vocal exercises where something partially closes the space at the mouth. Because the mouth is partially closed, some of the excited energy leaving the mouth while we sing gets reflected back down to the vocal folds, so you should feel less tension during phonation and a better resonance of your voice. For this exercise, we will use the first three notes of the major scale. For example, if we start from A3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, Alright, let's train! Before you start with the vocal warm-up, you need to warm up your body first. Pause this video and watch my complete body warm-up for singers. I want to give you some instructions before we start vocalizing. In this exercise, we will use the sound of an N, like the sound of a cow, to stretch our vocal folds in the entire range with the minimum vocal effort. During this exercise, imagine that you have an egg in your mouth. You will have to pronounce the without breaking that egg, keeping that space from the start to the end of the exercise. Be careful not to push too much air. The right volume is piano, especially in the highest and the lowest note of this exercise. Don't push. In this exercise, we will sing notes from A2 to D4. If you feel uncomfortable with some notes, for example, if they are too high or too low for you, don't worry. Train every day and step by step you will extend your vocal range and you'll be able to sing them. Down below you find the keyboard so you can see in real time what notes you're singing. For this male version I called a friend, the Argentinian guitarist, singer and songwriter A2-D4.
Hola, soy A2-D4 y ahora seguime en el próximo ejercicio. Perfecto, genial!
Now we can continue our training together with the next exercise. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, activate notifications so we can train together every single day. Ciao!